Good day everyone. I am Jeff Opojeda from BSIT 1.3. Today, I discuss my writing portfolio. In the second slide, have table of contents included career to classroom connecting writing, a very short story by Ernest Hemingway, alphanumeric outline, essay of artificial intelligence, group activity pivot, peer evaluation, final essay, and learning reflection. In the third slide is about connecting writing. This task helped me practice writing a formal letter and apply my academic writing skills in real business setting. It taught me how clear and professional communication leads to success in school and work. In the fourth slide is about Ernest Hemingway's story. In this activity, I analyzed Ernest Hemingway, a very short story, which taught me how stories express real emotions and helped me improve my reading and writing skills. The fifth slide is about alphanumeric outline. This task helped me learn to write essays better by organizing my ideas and planning my content before writing. In the sixth slide is about artificial intelligence essay. In this activity, I review an essay about AI ethics, which helped me spot errors, improve organization, and discuss complex topics more clearly and fairly. In the seventh slide is about pivot group activity. This activity taught us how to create a strong thesis statement using position plus because is equal strong thesis statement formula. It helped us organize our ideas, give clear reasons, and write with more confidence and clarity. In the eighth slide is about peer evaluation. In this activity, I reviewed classmate essays, which helped me learn how to give helpful feedback and pay more attention to details. It also made me more aware of how to improve my own writing. In the ninth slide is about final essay. In this activity, my final essay was challenging but taught me a lot. Despite the revisions and mistakes, it helped me become more patient and dedicated. In the end, I felt proud seeing how much my writing improved. Lastly, the learning reflection. Taking academic communication, my first year really helped me express myself better in writing and speaking. I learned to organize my thoughts, create clear thesis statements, and communicate with more confidence. It also taught me that good communication isn't about using big words. It's about connecting with others and expressing ideas clearly, which will help me in school and my future career.